So my thoughts on octagonal or even Adirondack handles. The octagonal ones have got 8-sided or 8 flat spots on the handle, pretty much the entire length. And the idea behind that is your grip, because of your knuckles and your fingers, you create facets in your grip. And those facets are then matched up to the flat spots on an octagonal handle. Does it make it easier? For some people, that indexing, we'll call it, creates more secure feeling when strike placement for their aim, because they know that handle really isn't going to rotate in their hand without them noticing it. And it doesn't take more than a few strikes for you to start zeroing in and getting your strike placement in the same spot or where you want it. Whereas sometimes with a rounder handle, that handle doesn't allow you to, I guess, will steer that axe. And so it's harder sometimes for some people to get an accurate strike placement because that axe isn't, they can't index it like they can with an octagonal. And then the other question would be about why do Adirondack handles, which are double-bitted axes but with a curved handle? So if you want to go back to the double bit, the idea is that oftentimes the 2 different bits are set up differently. One would be for cutting through the bark, which carries a lot of dirt, and it can easily dull an edge a lot quicker. So you use one side to get through that so that you can use your saw to cut, and then use your felling side to cut out that wood above that notch so that you can fell the tree. So technically one side is ugly, I call it, and the other side is pretty. Well, when you're using the pretty side, you're going to be probably taking larger swings, so the pretty side would have the curved or the ergonomic side of that axe. Whereas the ugly side, you're probably going to be choking up on that to be more accurate to remove that bark. And because of that, now you're choking up. Now you're past that curve. That curve doesn't matter anymore. You're now into the straighter part of that handle. So to back up, the curved side would be for your longer stroke, probably your felling side, whereas your ugly side or your bark side for your bark, you're probably going to choke up on that to be more accurate to remove that bark or even to limb. So that's the theory behind even though this isn't, that's the theory behind Adirondack handles.